Pesh, Kenya couldn't hide her joy as she took to her social media pages to reveal that she has now welcomed her baby. She has not revealed the gender of the baby, but the baby is here. Some few months ago, she came out and revealed the news of her pregnancy. Agikenerera muno, and all through she has been sharing her pregnancy journey alongside her baby. Na riu nimarathimitwo na Kana, and this is what she shared. Behold, children are a heritage from the Lord. The fruits of the womb are a reward. Our hearts are filled with joy. A big thank you to RFH Healthcare for taking good care of us. Your nurses and doctors are amazing. Wow, congratulations to them. Na aini na arata nimeyumirite congratulate. Wajamwa urakiuga congratulations. Koge na Makai Mbere. Karagumura yakiuga congratulations. Onaginyama fans ake Ariana Njeri akiuga congratulations. Welcome to Motherhood Manenos. James Watari akiuga congratulations. Hannah Joyce congratulations in order. Na Getabs Gitabs akiuga all glory to God for that successful journey to parenthood. Congratulations. Na ici nicio mbica akorirwo akirekereria ciake na family yake with a new member of the family. You can see the smiles on their faces, and a big congratulations to her. Na nikoge na Makai Mbere. And do not forget, subscribe for the latest Kikuyu celebrity news.